This recipe was inspired by my mom. She loves sea moss gel and she also enjoys chai. I figured, why not combine the two to create a sea moss gel chai latte? You'll start by adding 1 cup of non-dairy milk to a small saucepan over low heat. I chose to use hemp milk because it's Dr. Sebi approved. If you want to, you can use almond milk or soy milk. After you've added your non-dairy milk to the saucepan, go ahead and add a generous tablespoon of sea moss gel. As the mixture continues to warm, add 1 teaspoon of chai spice. I make my own chai spice and left the recipe for you in the description below. Now it's time to gently whisk the ingredients together. You want the sea moss gel to dissolve completely or else you'll have clumps of sea moss gel in your latte. It's also important to remember not to let the mixture boil. Now that the mixture is creamy and warm, it's time to prepare the latte. You want to balance out the spice of the chai by adding in 1 tablespoon of sweetener of your choice. I chose to use agave, but you could also use maple or coconut sugar. After you've added in the sweetener, give the latte a stir with a spoon, and your sea moss gel latte is ready to enjoy.